Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming 0 voltage with a non-contact tester. Safety first. Once done, remove the bulb and shade so you can access mounting screws easily and place small parts in a labeled container to avoid losing them. You should wear gloves and position a ladder for comfortable reach. Make sure to gather a flathead and Phillips screwdriver, a voltage tester, and a flashlight. These items prevent fumbling and speed the next steps. You support the weight of the fixture with one hand and use the other to remove the mounting screws or nuts. This prevents dropping it. Once the fixture hangs free, pull it slightly away to reveal the junction where the house wires meet the fixture wires. This is why you left the bulbs out. You should photograph or label each connection for reassembly, then rotate off the wire nuts and separate the wires, keeping each conductor clear and away from metal. You now cap each exposed house conductor with a properly sized wire nut and gently fold the capped wires back into the electrical box so they sit neatly without pinching. Attach the ground to the box if present. Once the fixture and bracket are removed, inspect the box and surrounding wall for damage and remove any remaining hardware. Make sure to turn the breaker back on only after testing the box area with your voltage tester. If you detect unexpected voltage or loose neutrals, stop and call a licensed electrician.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.